The following message was transmitted at the request of the NAT, National Weather Service. The NAT, Jesus Christ, I'm high as fuck. Okay guys, before I tell the tornado warning, I'm gonna tell you what I did last night. I fucked your mom. Ha ha ha, JK. What I did last night was that I was at my friend's house, and we were jettin' fucking lit. Since pot is legal in Illinois, we were jettin' high as fuck. Since my best friend was so nice, he gave me this fucking cool ass looking bong. Hang on. Sorry about that. Anyways, about the fucking tornado warning. There's a fucking twister in your county. If you're in the county where the tornado is in, you better get yo ass in cover, otherwise you're fucking history. So good luck and peace out, motherfuckers.